sponsored by Ship Quicker. Have you ever shopped online and wanted your package delivered to Jamaica for free? Well, create your free account today. You'll be able to shop from any online retailer and have your packages delivered right to your doorstep here in Jamaica for free. You'll also be able to ship letters and documents under a pound for free. Enjoy real-life tracking from our website, weekend deliveries, emails and text alerts, and also other benefits. Click the link in the description box below to create your free account today and receive your first free shipping coupon.
We'll give back a link here.
Yo, brother!
You
know what I want to see you?
want to see me? What you want to see me for?
Brother, me get a car.
Get a car?
Yeah, brother.
Yo, brother, me happy for you, brother. Yeah, me want to tell you we can go Moby and watch, you know?
Yeah. Yo, me fi tell them man up there, man, nice.
Yo, so what kind of car?
Hey, I want to tell you some dreams so me get a nice car.
What?
Yeah, brother, me get a nice car.
No, brother. Just hear you say a while ago, so your dream say you get a nice car.
So that me say, dream say me get a nice car.
Brother, that really make man get excited for him, bro.
So what you be, sir?
Brother, man for fool, but no fool, sir.
Bad mind and jealous. Jealous say you can't get nice dream, say your dream say you get nice car. Bad mind. You see, that's why I don't like black people, you know. But understand, bad mind I will kill you now. Come go like say, be have to deal with him. Oh, right. Nitro. If you drive here. Oh, no, yeah. No, big. Don't worry yourself, man. Yeah, good. It just crashed. Thanks for watching. Now for all the viewers them that wish to ship with Ship Quicker but don't have a credit card to buy things online, not to worry. Grams have just the cookie for your crumbs, just the cup for your salsa. Let me tell you what go on. All you have to do, click this link in the description and sign in or sign up for Ship Quicker. Now after you do that, you're going to see a new feature when you click the menu. It is called Please Buy It For Me. All you have to do is just click that feature. Once you click that feature, you're going to see a form. Fill it out. Not with your information, no. It's the people information that you wish to buy the things them for you put there. Okay? So don't go put in your email or that people email you must put in. Good? Now after filling out that form, you're going to see a thing at the bottom say Add Item. Copy the link of the item that you wish to buy and paste it there. Everything we have to buy, not the whole world, but everything we have to buy. So after you do that, submit it. and I hit that. Good. Now for the people them who wonder how them are gonna pay back the people them for things that when them buy for them. Simple. It's either you go to the bank and pay the money on them account, or you go to the Western Union or the MoneyGram and send them back them money. Simple. So do me a nice favor, click the link in the description and ship quicker today.